Look at these beautiful sprouted seeds. Less than 4 weeks, you'll have beautiful looking coriander on your windowsill, ready for use in your cooking. Don't they look beautiful? Hello and Assalamu alaikum. In today's video, I'll be showing you the fastest method to grow Dhaniya Patta, coriander, inside your kitchen on a windowsill. Add a handful of coriander seed in a glass. Add about half a teaspoon of Epsom salt and soak it in water for about 3 hours. After 3 hours, remove the seed from the water. Now spread the seed on a kitchen tissue. Now wrap the seed inside the kitchen tissue. Just like this. And spray water using a water sprayer. Now this needs to be placed in the warmest part of your house. If you're able to provide 25 degrees Celsius, your seed will sprout in less than 3 days. So I'm going to keep this on a heat mat. If you don't have a heat mat, you can put this in your boiler room or by the radiator. And hopefully, inshallah, it will sprout in less than 3 days. Oh wow. Look at these beautiful sprouted seeds. Add Multi Compost to your container or a seed tray. Gently push it down so there's no air pocket. Bury the seeds with a thin layer of compost. Now give it a good drink. Using a water sprayer, spray properly. Keep this on your windowsill, preferably south-facing window, so it's getting plenty of sunlight. Don't let the soil dry out. Water regularly to keep the soil moist. Make your Epsom salt solution by adding 1 teaspoon of Epsom salt in a litre of water. Shake it well and spray Epsom salt solution on the leaves every 2 weeks. Hopefully in less than 4 weeks you'll have beautiful looking coriander on your windowsill, ready for use in your cooking. Don't they look amazing? Don't they look beautiful? Give it a try. It's not difficult. Use this method and I can assure you you'll be able to grow coriander all year round. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share our videos with friends and family. Happy gardening. Assalamu alaikum, and I'll see you in the next one.